with the picture holder?
No, like this? No.
For picture.
What do you mean?
For phone.
Oh, yeah. And I'm getting one soon too.
Hey, this is really nice. Pumpkin, okra. Oh my gosh. Tastes heaven. Welcome back to Jamaica. Everything okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Very okay. Wow.
Some rice and peas. Some red snapper fry. Plantain. That is it. And the snapper here really big too.
Yeah, and the crackers. Wow. Let me let them soak. So they get soft. I know the tingle. Not really. It's Jamaican plantain, you guys. So
Guilty as charged.
I'm not recording. I'm fighting with the park as if never used my phone park before.
never used my phone before?
I have, but I'm fighting it as if I never used it before.
Why?
You know.
They love using my phone. I don't know why it's
Yeah. Me love that nice garlic. You don't know ugali in Jamaica. No, it's Jamaica something there. When you eat your breakfast. When you eat your breakfast, they call it again
chapati.
chapati.
But you also have the flour in Jamaica, so like I always make it if I want. The dumpling flour, I use that.
You mean ugali? Only chapati? Okay. What do you use in ugali?
Cornmeal.
Oh. So that is like current cornmeal then? Oh, so it's a different name. If it's only cornmeal, then it's actually current cornmeal.
Cornmeal.
You just make it a bit firmer.
Yeah. You can use even coconut milk to cook it. It can be so good. You grate the coconut.
So we do that too.
So nice.
Yeah, we do that. We use coconut. Yeah.
Jamaicans love their food. Pretty and delicious.